Meaning of expat.
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 Expat. Expat is short for expatriate, which refers to someone who is living in a country other than their own. This often refers to people who are living abroad temporarily for work or other reasons, but can also include those who have permanently relocated to another country. Expats may face challenges such as language barriers and cultural differences, but they also have the opportunity to experience new cultures and gain valuable life experiences. Being an expat can be both rewarding and challenging, and requires adaptability and open-mindedness to fully embrace the experience.